Hi, my name is LaQuentin Jenkins, and my mission is to build stronger, healthier communities by bridging the gaps in access to affordable healthcare. For years, I've seen growing gaps between technology and the people who need it most: our seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities, especially when it comes to healthcare. That's why I created Simple Choice Tech Connect. It's an opportunity for seniors to share wisdom and guidance with our youth, and for our youth to learn and share technical skills with our seniors, veterans, and those with disabilities. Our young leaders are eager to serve, helping older adults navigate apps, emails, insurance portals, and booking appointments to understand their healthcare benefits. In return, our young leaders gain invaluable experience in character development. This bridge is made possible by our partnership with Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage, Grace Community Outreach, and the Royal Youth Foundation. This isn't about technology, it's about empowering our community to navigate their healthcare and daily lives with technology. We invite you to connect with Simple Choice Tech Connect and discover how our community can help. Find out more on our website and join us in building a future where technology truly connects us.